So finally, you were just in Beijing, but it's your first trip in 3 years, first trip in the post-COVID world, and you had extensive interactions with some of the emerging and new leaders in China. I'd love to understand what is the reality on the ground. What has changed in China pre-COVID, post-COVID? And what's different there now than what we might be reading in the press and in the headline?
Well, it's a good question because there's a lot of spin at conferences like this, and you have to look behind the spin. The focus is on, the standard Chinese buzzwords of reforms, opening up, and now, the only thing that I noticed that was significantly different than the past is it was a more slogan-intensive effort to really deliver an institutional commitment to imposing or offering up the Chinese view of the world. It started with the Belt and Road Initiative, and now under Xi Jinping's leadership, there's been emphasis on what I would call the 3 G's of global governance with Chinese characteristics: Global Security Initiative, Global Civilization Initiative, Global Development Initiative. So China is very determined to imprint its own view on what it thinks can be an increasingly China-focused global order.
Well, we're very excited to have you on April 13th at AIM Summit. You'll be giving one of the first presentations at the conference in London, discussing the economic decoupling of the US and China, the implications that this has on markets. That's going to be a session moderated by Bloomberg. Such a pleasure to have you now. So looking forward to having you in London. And thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you. Looking forward to it myself.